The Backyardigans, a Royal Valentine. Meet Queen Tasha. Queen Tasha made a valentine for her best friend, Queen Uniqua. Tyrone and Pablo will bring the valentine to Queen Uniqua in her palace far away. "Nothing can stop us," says Tyrone. "Not wind or snow or the river wide," Pablo says. "The wind blows. This wind is strong," says Pablo. "I have goggles. Now we can see the path." "There is a wide river," says Pablo. "How will we cross?" "I know," Tyrone says. "We will jump across on the blocks of ice." "Nothing can stop us," say Pablo and Tyrone. "Not wind or snow or the river wide." "Queen Uniqua, here we come," shouts Tyrone. At last, Tyrone and Pablo reach the palace. They knock on the door. "Who is there?" asks Austin, the palace guard. "Queen Tasha sent us," say Pablo and Tyrone. "Come in," says Austin. "Special Valentine delivery for Queen Uniqua from Queen Tasha," called Pablo and Tyrone. "Wow," says Queen Uniqua. "I love it. I have something for Queen Tasha too." "We will bring it to her," Tyrone says. "Nothing can stop us," says Pablo. "I must give it to Queen Tasha myself," says Queen Uniqua. "I want to go too," Austin says. Queen Uniqua, Austin, Pablo, and Tyrone go to see Queen Tasha. "Special delivery for Queen Tasha," says Queen Uniqua. "What is it?" asks Queen Tasha. "It is a big hug. Happy Valentine's Day!" Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Backyardigans stories, check out my Backyardigans playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.